Early morning, a small town wakes up. A father quietly feels left behind. Technology doesn't ask how old you are. One evening, he passes Web9. He hesitates, then walks inside. Everyone starts somewhere. Learning doesn't become difficult because of age. It becomes difficult when we stop believing we can learn. Months later, his daughter asks for help. This time, he smiles. Give it to me. Your age is your experience. Your willingness to learn is your future. It's never too late to learn. Learn, practice, grow. WebNine IT Software Computer Training, kollegal.